Welcome back to the SRS fabrication store. Stop shop. One-stop shop we are. We're a one-stop shop. Couldn't find George today, so we've got Sam behind the camera. We're going to do a walk around and show you what we've been doing in the workshop. Past 2 days, been working on this new workbench with Sam's whinging. So I figured, you know, we'd do him something, little coffee table. So he's got something to work on. It's pretty tricky. So she folds out, you put that. What? Oh, didn't see you there. Didn't see you there, George.
I was just keeping up with the latest Street Race Solutions video on YouTube.
Oh,
yeah.
How is it? Plenty of views or what?
Yeah.
We're just gonna let him go back. Let him catch up on his videos anyway. So it comes. Yeah, George. I've got Mickey. What are you up to today, Mickey? What are we doing? Tell the camera what we're doing. What's that? What's that?
Putting rear tubs in.
Rear tubs. No front tubs, rear tubs.
Where they're supposed to go.
Oh. So yeah, what's going on?
Alright. Stewie was like, oh, I don't like that metal there. Too much metal here.
It's just got to go. We're going to re-tub it, re-floor it. We're putting a drop tank in it that's methanol and ethanol, so it'll be a separate tank but one piece. We're actually going to, we've got a few, we just got to go pick up the horse float. We've got a couple of ponies we're going to put in the back here. We just had to make some room, make a yard. How many horses you reckon?
Oh, maybe 2 small ones.
Would that be a Shetland horse or a pony? Just got back from the paint shop. Engine bay's been all cleared, primed, painted, smooth, the goods. What are you looking at?
This is Braaps, little Celica. It's kind of like a Pokemon, the name speaks for itself. It Braaps.
It Braaps? Braaps is back in for a tune.
Yeah, back in for a tune.
George is going to tune this one.
Yeah.
We figured George knows what he's doing with computers, so we're just going to plug it into the tuner computer.
Yeah, like I know Photoshop, how different can it be?
Yeah, that he's not on. He's not wrong. Best believe we have installed the new paper towel pull 3000. Comes down, snips her off, folds up, mate, cleans in the bin. You know?
I'm the new mechanic around here. Pretty easy once you see them do it 20 or so times, you know, it just comes natural. Changed all the studs for the Nismos. What I've been doing here is just looking at them.
We're going to start something a little new today. We're going to call it George's 5 favourite things on a car. Let's start.
Brembo brakes, strut brace,
Nismo stuff.
turbo, seats, plasma man.
Kanzai service.
And this one here, George.
Oh, it's back in green.
That's Millennium Jade.
Millennium Jade. Millennium Jade.
Which one's an SR? This one? It's a God's motor.
He's not wrong.
Yeah, that's what I've been told. I didn't actually know, but Daniel's quite religious. So.
Yeah, so you know, I've ended up in some pretty wild situations, you know, and I figured if I turn to God, turn to Jesus, you know, my life will turn around. It definitely did. SRs come into my life. Other than that, there's not much more to talk about, guys. Just pretty much tell you how good 4-cylinder Fury is. When this Millennium Jade SR's back in the Millennium Jade green car, it's gonna go far. These are the wings, Mickey G, or no, sorry, George. George folded up.
I actually folded these up in a previous video. Mickey said he did, but it wasn't, it was Sam. It's not Sam, I did it.
He's not wrong, he's come through with the truth right now.
Yeah, I wasn't happy with the work they did, and I said, hey Stu, I can do this a lot better, and he said, go for it. Should press it in carbon, and Stu said, no, I don't know about that. And I said, no, carbon sells. It goes more like this, Daniel.
Alright.
Yeah.
So,
We
are
signing off now.
Uru. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, tune into it. Make sure you watch all of our stuff, and definitely tell your daughters.